Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we convert JPEG images into editable Word files using Microsoft Word. In this video, we'll show you a two-step process, first, converting the JPEG to a PDF, and then converting the PDF to an editable Word file. Here's how you can do it. Open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Now click on Insert in the top menu. This will open a set of options for inserting various items into your document. Select Pictures from the options and choose your JPEG image. Browse the location where image is saved. Select the JPEG image you want to convert to PDF and click Insert. Click on File in the top left corner of the screen and select Save. Select a location to save your document. Write the name of file. Click on Save as Type to choose the file format. Choose PDF. And click Save. Now you can see our JPEG is converted to PDF. Now open Microsoft Word and click File and select Open. Browse the location where PDF file is saved. When we open PDF in the MS Word, this message will appear. Just click OK. Now you can see, our PDF is converted to editable Word file and we can edit text. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a JPEG image into an editable Word file using the two-step process. Thanks for watching.